If you want to back up data on your Google Pixel 11, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you should be able to scroll down a little bit and search for the Accounts and Backup option. There we go. In here, we can find the Google Backup option, so let's go ahead and tap on that. In here, you can decide what you want to back up if you go here for the first time. So you can back up photos and videos, as well as other device data, all of which is listed in here. And once you confirm, then you should be able to use this Backup Now button. By the way, there's also documents, which we can back up as well. So of course, you can turn on a backup for documents too, if you need that. So whenever you're ready to back up your data, just tap on Backup Now, although your phone should be able to also automatically back up data once in a while. For example, if you go to Photos and Videos, you can find some additional settings that you might want to check out, and you can do the same thing by going to Other Device Data in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.